Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. If you want to start a e-commerce export from India, how to start the e-commerce export? Nowadays e-commerce sector is very booming and there are various opportunities in e-commerce export. Most of the persons who want to start a business in import export sector, right? And in that case e-commerce export is a very good opportunity for you if you want to start in a very small manner, right? So in this video we will discuss each and every point about the e-commerce export. What are the documentation required, what are the process of export, website through which you can start your e-commerce export, right? We will cover all of the points in this regarding, right? So first of all, what is e-commerce export? In e-commerce export, like when like we will take an example in India. If you want to start a selling in India, you can start in Flipkart or Amazon. Like in same manner, you can export through the Amazon website or certain other websites, right? From one country, from India to another country. E-commerce export is a selling of goods directly to international buyers through websites such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or your own website, right? It's a different from traditional export. In traditional export, you have to first of all search the client, then book the order and then ship the product, then you will receive the payment, right? But in case of e-commerce export, you will create your account in Amazon or other websites, right? After that your foreign customer will place an order, and after receiving the order, the Amazon will collect your order and ship to the final customer. This is the process of e-commerce export. Why e-commerce export is beneficial for us? Because low entry barriers. If you want to start a traditional export, in this required a lot of money for starting the process, right? And most of the times the customer not give the advance payment. So this is in this the there is a chances of bad debts in the traditional export. But in this low entry barriers, better access to market, the Amazon will provide a better access to the market, like 200 countries and territories customers, simpler payment, flexibility in logistics, brand development. Step by step process to start. First of all, choose the product which you want to export, or export the product through Amazon, like handicraft, clothing, Ayurvedic, organic food stuffs, right? Then set up a business entity. If you want, if you can start business in sole proprietorship mode, company mode, LLP mode, or partnership mode, right? So there are the various alternatives through which you can start the business, right? After that, get an import export code. If you set up the business, you have required to take the import export code for export through the Amazon. Thereafter, you have required the AD code for receiving the payments, right? Steps for apply for the AD code registration. Ask your bank and send the AD code to the respective port custom via iceGet portal, right? Once accepted, you can export the product and you will receive the payment. Select your e-commerce platform. First is the Amazon global selling, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, product listing and compliance, right? Most of the time logistic will be handled by the the platform through which you are selling, right? You can do the self shipping, or you can use the FBA, fulfillment by the Amazon. Then order is received and you will ship the order, and you will receive the payment. So this is the whole process for the e-commerce export. And following are the documents required, like commercial invoice, packing list, shipping bill of lading, certificate of origin. This is the document required for through which you can start your e-commerce export. I hope this video is very helpful regarding the e-commerce export. If you have any query related to this, you can also connect on the number given on the screen. Thank you guys for